What is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again with another video. Now, this weekend was nothing really happened. I mean, literally, it rained Thursday. Hurricane Michael hit and pretty much just flooded everything here. I mean, just everything flooded. Like, it was terrible. And then Friday, everything was still kind of flooded out. So I drove my daily driver, and literally I may have driven the car once this weekend. It just was, this weekend was a bust. Nothing really happened. It rained and had a shit ton of other things to do. But there is one good thing that, well, happened this weekend. Well, actually, technically it happened today. But anyways, Lauren's hood is now painted. It looks a lot better. Anyways, so here in a second I'm going to go show y'all. I'm going to do a before and after. I got some pictures, I think, of her car, so I can do a before and after. So, I mean, her car, it just had a primered black hood on it. And well, now it's matte black. Godly, I need to learn my colors. I need to go back to kindergarten and learn your colors. So it is now matte black, and it was starting to rust. As you see in my air quotations, according to some paint shops, it started to rust. Took a rag, wiped the rust right off. So, but honestly, a little short, boring vlog video. Like, when I say boring, I mean nothing really happened this weekend. It just was a buzz. The rain ended up messing up some plans, and it just was a buzz. So, that's it for today's video. I'm out. Sorry for the really short video, but it is what it is. It just kind of happens. I do want to talk to y'all about something in the next video as I stab myself in the cheek. So here's Lauren's hood. I mean, honestly, I think it looks a lot better. We painted the
that you
hood hinges, and she painted her grill. I mean, I like it. I think we did pretty good. I mean, the camera's not picking it up to see everything. I mean, you can see it over there. We kind of messed up over here a little bit, but hey, at least it's not gonna rust. And there is something funny. We was coming back, and she had the heat on, and this girl straight up looks at me in my face and goes, "I smell a lot of paint."
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I'm legitimately worried as to why she smells a lot of paint. And then I look at her and go, "You do realize you painted your grill too?" She goes, "Oh, my fans is right there. I kind of forgot." So she kind of messed up, but it still looks good. I like it. I really like it. I think we did good for it being my first time recording. I mean, my first time painting. I think we did pretty good. It's not her first time, but she still did a good job. I did like 20% of the work, and she did the other 80%. So it's like a 80-20 type thing. I think she did pretty good. Like I said, she did most of the work. I just did that 20%. So that's it. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow.